funny. Okay, Madeline, you can hold this now.
challenge.
We're gonna do the coffee creamer challenge.
It isn't even a real thing.
Well, we just made it
I
up.
have cinnamon all over me.
Who cares? You're not going to fucking church. Oh, I just cursed in here.
It's okay.
Okay.
No, it's powder.
No, fuck
It's
this.
it's coffee creamer. That's what coffee. You're dumb.
Come on, do it.
Katrina.
Pussy.
It's like powdered sugar.
I've had it before. I thought you
Yeah.
meant the liquid stuff. Don't be
No.
Come on,
Why
do
are
it.
you fucking dumb?
It's not that bad.
Let me
Do
smell it.
It smells good, actually.
Smells like vanilla.
I don't want to.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
Mm-mm.
Do it.
Almost. No.
Marley's getting angry. Come on, do it.
Getting angry, bitch.
Come on.
Getting angry.
No.
Do it.
I just like fucking get this whole thing. You're like,
Madeline, you do it.
no wait. Can you get a glass of water in case this goes wrong?
Yeah, go get a glass of water real quick.
Wait till.
Oh, we got a show. Oh my god! This isn't wrong. This dog going mad.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Yeah. Wait. I'll hold on to this in case you out.
I can't swallow it.
Why keep talking?
I can't swallow it.
Ooh.
You're making me
What?
Oh my god,
That's what white stuff does to you. This is gonna make me throw up a little. Marley, take a chill pill, broski. I think this video is a little bit more about my dog right now.
I love how we just switch over. Wait, let's do another challenge.
I watched that glass. Don't drop it. Those are my mom's good ones. What's all this white stuff? How does this get here?
I don't feel good. It wasn't that bad. It was just like clumpy and disgusting. Yeah, it was clumpy.
That was funny shit, man.